This is Nadine here, and this is my Nesco vacuum sealer, which I bought actually in 2019, so I've had it for 40 years, and it's still going strong and doing great things. So let's take a look a little bit at the machine here. So this is your vacuum sealer over here, and it comes with several buttons and several options on there. You can either just seal, you can pressure. I don't know what the pressure does. I don't actually ever use that. You have where you can actually do the vacuum seal on your jars to pickle things and things like that. You just put the cord in here, the little tube that comes in it with it. You have a pulse vacuum here, marinate, canister, manual, vac seal, and cancel, and it tells you here the progress of it. You can put the roll right inside, and let's take a look a little bit about how it works on there. So you're gonna grab the bag and get it under the cutter over here and pull it out. You're gonna need, let's say we're putting our burgers in there, and then you're going to close it. Once you close it, you're gonna press sealing, and it's going to seal the bag for you. Here it'll tell you when it's done. Pull it up and cut the bag where you need to. If you want to do like already cut bags, you can do that. Just go ahead, put your meat right in the bag, place the bag over here. You're gonna press it down, close it up, and press on vacuum seal over here. And it's pulling out the air right now. Just guys, when you are actually doing the suctioning, make sure that the bag's inserted into this opening right here, because if it's not, then it will not actually pull out any of the air in there. So just make sure that it vacuums. You need to have it in here.